mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian E. Mendoza. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, December 28, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ang ating series which is about Christmas week, Emmanuel, God with us. Specifically, ang topic po natin for today is about the light has dawned. At ang ating talata po para sa araw na ito ay magagaling sa Matthew chapter 4 verse 16. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. The people living in darkness have seen a great light, and those living in the land of the shadow of death, a light has dawned. At ngayong araw po, upang ating mas bigyan ng kahulugan ang ating devotion para sa araw na ito, ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating mga teachings for today. So una po, basahin ko po, sabi ko rito, Jesus is the light of dawn. So just like the first light of morning breaks through the darkness, so ganun din po ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo. So Jesus brings hope. Siya po ang nagbibigay sa atin ng hope and clarity sa mga ating mga buhay. So yung presensya na it dispels confusion, it dispels fear and despair. So it offers a fresh start sa bawat araw ng ating mga buhay. Ikalawa po, Jesus reveals truth against lies. So sa mundo pong puno ng deception and puno ng kasinungalingan, ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo po, He stands as the ultimate source of truth. So yung word niya, it exposes the lies that try to lead us sa maling path, and ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo po ang nag-guide sa atin patungo sa tama, helping us to see clearly sa ating mga buhay through His perspective. At ikatlo po, Jesus has victory over darkness. So darkness po is sin, evil, and death has no power over Jesus. Lagi pong tatandaan, Jesus has the victory over darkness. So through His life, death, and resurrection, He defeated the forces of darkness once and for all. His victory po talagang nakatakda na, and it ensures that we can live in the freedom of His light. So paano po natin ma-apply ang mga katuruan po na ito? Ngayon po tayo tutudako sa ating application. Una po, be a follower who walks in the light. So sabihin po nito, to walk in the light means living a life full of love, full of faithfulness, and merong integridad sa ating Panginoon. So it's about paglalag mo sa ating Panginoon sa Kristo na i-guide ang bawat steps ng iyong buhay and reflecting His light in sa bawat actions mo and decision mo sa buhay. So ikalawa po, do not live in a life of being a Christian. So sabi po dito, do not live in a life of being a Christian. So while living in darkness, bilang Kristiyano po, it isn't just a label, but it is a lifestyle. So you examine your heart and yung actions mo para ma-ensure mo na naka-align siya sa ating Panginoon. So don't settle for an outward appearance of faith, but let His light transform every part of your life. Ikatlo po, bring others to the light. So tayo po bilang mga followers po na ating Panginoon sa Kristo, we are called to share His light with others. So we look for opportunities to share His word, to encourage, to love, and to point people towards Him. So whether through your words or actions, hayaan mo yung buhay mo, you let your life be kumbaga, hayaan mo na makita sa iyo ng ibang tao na ikaw ay isa talagang tunay na followers ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo. Naway marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.